Hey everyone, welcome to the channel. If you've ever wondered how to unlock better trading insights on TradingView by understanding where the most buying and selling action is happening, then you're in the right place. Today I'm going to guide you step by step on how to use the Visible Range Volume Profile Indicator, often called VRVP in TradingView. By the end of this video, you'll know how to add it to your charts, customize it to your preferences, and most importantly, actually use it to spot key price levels that traders care about. This is one of those tools that once you know how to use it can really change the way you see the market. Let's dive in and stick with me. Even if you're new, you'll pick this up in no time. The first thing you need to do is go to the Indicators menu. You'll find this at the top of your TradingView chart. It kind of looks like a little flask or beaker. Give that a click and then you'll see a search bar pop up. In the search bar, just type Volume Profile. As you start typing, you'll see a few options appear underneath. The one you're looking for is Visible Range Volume Profile, sometimes labeled as VRVP. Make sure you select this one. This version dynamically analyzes the price and volume for just the range that's visible on your screen. It's not static. It updates as you zoom or scroll, which makes it incredibly powerful when exploring different price levels or timeframes. Alright, once you've added the indicator to your chart, you'll notice a colorful histogram appear along the side of your price action, usually on the right. If you click on the indicator name and then hit the settings gear, you open up its customization menu. This is where things get interesting and where you can really tailor the indicator to fit your trading style. Let's start with the rows layout and row size. Think of these like the resolution of your volume data. The rows split your price range into little segments or bins, and each bin shows you how much volume traded in that segment. If you make the size smaller, you'll get more rows, finer details. If you increase the size, you get a broader, more general overview. Neither is right or wrong. Just think about whether you want to zoom in on the details or pull back and see the bigger picture. Now you'll also see options for volume and sometimes a LU or value. That might just be a typo on some platforms. It all refers to how the histogram is measuring volume within those price bins. Most traders keep this on the default unless they have a specific need to change it. What matters is that this histogram visually highlights where the most trading volume has occurred within the visible range. Switching over to the Style tab, you can really make this indicator your own. You can move the histogram so it appears on the left or right side of your chart, just whichever you prefer. And here's a big one, the point of control or POC. That's the one price level where the highest volume traded within your current view. Think of it as the market's center of gravity for this segment of price data. You can customize the color to make it stand out. Trust me, this line quickly becomes your new best friend for identifying support and resistance. Finally, you have visibility settings. Don't overlook this section. It lets you choose whether or not the indicator shows up on certain time frames. If you don't want the VRVP cluttering up your daily chart, for example, you can set it to only appear on specific intervals. Customize it however keeps your workflow clean and focused. The most important use of the Visible Range Volume Profile is to spot high-volume price levels, places where tons of trades have taken place. These zones are often strong areas of support and resistance, and big institutions love to participate here. If you've ever wondered why price seems to bounce or stall at a certain level, well, now you have the key to unlock that secret. So that's a complete walkthrough of the Volume Profile Indicator on TradingView. I hope you're already thinking of ways to use this in your next trade. If this video helped you, please hit the like button. It supports the channel more than you know. Drop any questions in the comments, and if you want more clear, practical tutorials just like this, don't forget to subscribe. See you next time.